Question 16 has given us 2 pieces of glass, and it says the pieces are similar. The area of the small piece is 6,000 centimetres squared, and glass costs £80 per square metre. Work out the cost of the large piece. Now, the thing most people did wrong was think that in order to convert square centimetres into square metres, you divide by 100, and that's not true. You don't just divide by 100. If you think about 2 squares the same size, if I call this side 1 metre and 1 metre, whoops, that's a terrible 1 metre, that will be 1 metre squared. If, though, I did it in centimetres, it would be 100 times 100, which is 10,000. So if we want to convert the areas, we don't just divide by 100, we have to divide by 10,000. Okay. Which is 0.6, so it costs 0.6 per square metre. Next thing we need to remember is that if we have shapes with the similar area, or if we have shapes that are similar, then the ratio, if we know the ratio of their lengths, which we do here, it's 50 to 75, which if we divide by 25, we get 2 to 3. That's the length ratio. Then the area ratio is 2 squared to 3 squared, which equals 4 to 9. So this is how the areas are related. The small area is 0.6 metres squared. So if we have 0.6 here, what will we have here? Well, if we can work out what we've timesed or divided by to get from here to here, we can do the same to get from here to here. So if, for example, I say what is 0.6 divided by 4, that's the wrong way around. So if we're asking what does 4 times by to get to, no, that was the right round. What does 4 times by to get to 0.6? Well, if we divide by 4, like I was saying, .6 divided by 4 is 0.15. So we must be timesing by 0.15 to get from there to there. So that's what we times by on this side, 0.15. So 9 times by 0.15 is 1.35. So the area of the big shape is 1.35 metres squared. 1.35 metres squared. And it says the glass costs £80 per square metre. So if we now do 80 times by 1.35, that will tell us the cost of the large piece. 80 times 1.35 is £108. So they're testing 2 techniques there. They're testing if you remember how to convert from centimetre squared to metre squared, and they're testing if you remember how to do that similar area thing. So a fairly difficult question, I think.